attended, right? You all wanted to give that picture.
You want to see the who has
And whatever your person spoke also, we know.
You all attended or you all postponed the date? We postponed or you all postponed the date? Who has postponed the date?
Just because you all want to work, you all are postponing the date. And they all are asking us to let the court give the stop work notice. Yeah? So you all wait in the court tells you all to do the work also.
See, do what you want. Do what you want. We will not allow. That's our decision. Decision of the village panchayat. There is a stop work order. If you have an issue with a stop work order, go to the court and get it revoked.
With all the documents. Don't work how you all have worked that side. No, don't work like that. Just barging into people's property and taking the property. When you all told when you all have the documents, come to us. You all don't have a single document to say that even the tracks are belonging to you all.
You all are forcing us over here all the time to come out.
Just because it is given Southwestern Railway, that means that land belongs to you? No.
Central project, you all are just
on the basis that Panchayat has no jurisdiction on railway.
Exactly.
On railway land.
पंचायतीन स्टॉप वर्क काढले त्यांच्यानी रिप्लाय केले की रिवोक करपाक पंचायतीन रिवोक केले ना सो रायट नाव जुरिडिक्शन इज ऑफ द पंचायत आता त्यांच्यानी कितें केलें दे हॅव गॉन टू लँड अँड सर्वे डिपार्टमेंट टू डिमार्केट देअर लँड ती आजून हियरिंग काबार जावना सो सद्याक ओनरशीप ओनरा कडेन उरली पंचायती कडेन ऑथॉरिटी आहा सो ही कॅनॉट स्टार्ट वर्क Jenna, your jurisdiction, you have not got your title document yet. You are in the process of doing it. When the jurisdiction is of the Panchayat has not revoked a stop work order. And how you are starting work? How can you start work? You are overpowering everybody just because you have certain departments in support of you. You cannot start work. You start your work, but once you do your formalities and then start. You are doing jabardast, you are creating unnecessarily unrest for villagers. You are forcibly entering our property and then you are asking us to give a document. How can you do that?
I had to leave my meeting and come.
Satyam, please remove your vehicles, other there will be some issues here.
Send my daughter for this dentist thing alone. Huh?
What is the hurry for you? Which race are you in? Your mole is already scrapped. You are not getting...
The property belongs to you all, right? Then you all should have the details with you all. How you all are demanding from the Panchayat? Panchayat gives a record of Form 1 and 14. You tell me.
Panchayat, I'm not asking.
You wrote to me saying that. Why?
Yeah.
Panchayat
ISLR has requested us to submit their
so you all submit.
Their title document.
You all
You
are
are the bridge between.
No, you all are saying you all are the owners of this property, right?
Are you
The
not?
railway is the owner of this property.
Yeah.
So you all should have the details of the adjoining properties.
We have submitted our documents.
So
Now ISLR is requesting them also adjacent.
So you all find out why the Panchayat will go.
Ma'am, you have come here.
All this time you all were saying the Panchayat has no authority on these things. Now why you all are coming to the Panchayat to demand all these things? Just
No,
because you all cannot do the
you
job.
are standing as a bridge between villagers and.
I am standing, but at the same time, you all
Then-
stop the work.
Why, ma'am?
Why means every time, listen, the court hearing, listen, guys.
She has issued stop order.
Satish, come here, come.
Ma'am,
Don't-
that is what.
Listen to me. Every time there is a Southwest hearing, right? Your advocate tells an advocate to adjourn the case because he cannot attend the case. Yesterday there was hearing, right?
Oh, we have
So
attended the case.
he
No, sorry. You are lying. You are lying. You are lying.
No,
You are lying.
no,
Don't lie.
no. Your advocate told our advocate to adjourn the case.
No. We have
Yeah.
attended yesterday.
No, you all have not attended. The date was given. After that, your advocate came. You are telling me I was in the court.
I was
Your
also
advocate asked for a new date. Your advocate asked for a new date. And you all do. You all adjourn the cases and then you all come into this work. This is not the right way to work. You all are putting us also into problem. You all are putting the people also into problem. I told you first you get all the papers to us. Because we also should know what you all are doing where. We don't have any idea to convince the
that
people.
we are going to submit.
When
no,
until
ma'am.
then you wait.
Till then, how can we that we cannot stop the work till then?
Then what you all can do? Then you all face the consequences of that. How can you all work when it is in the court? You all tell me.
That
Stop
is what
work
they have
order is
applied
there
for
by
the,
Panchayat.
Stop order only. They have applied it for the temporary
How you
rejection
know?
only.
How you know?
They have filed to us only, na?
Till now, you all have not given the things we are demanding. Till
They-
now, you all have not produced the
Now you are
provision.
saying that they have filed a case.
Yeah.
Let the case let the court
So
decide
till then
that.
you stop the work.
They have filed the same thing. They
Yeah,
have
so
filed
till-
for to stop the work
So
only.
till
They
then,
have filed.
once
they
the
have
hearing
filed.
is done, once the order is passed,
Ah.
you all do the work. Why you all are coming here and disturbing the people?
If court decides, then we will stop.
When court, when
Then
court,
they have
listen,
applied.
listen.
They have
When
applied for the
court-
same. They
listen.
have applied for the
Okay,
same thing.
when the court decides, you all will stop.
Ah.
Did the court give you permission to do the work?
That is what they have applied for to
That
stop
is-
our work.
So they have
They have
applied,
applied for
but
the
they,
same
did
thing.
the court give you the permission to do the work? No,
They
so
have-
you all don't
the
do
court
the work.
also did not
so
give
when
us
it
to
is
stop
in the
the work.
court, when it is in the court, you cannot come and do the work here. It's in the court.
It's in the
So you
court.
have to wait. You don't tell me.
And there is prevailing stop work order from the Panchayat. How are you doing this thing?
Panchayat has no jurisdiction in.
Is it? And then why did you come to the Panchayat?
No, you all
Why did you come to the Panchayat?
Just
Why
now you said
you are coming to the
Panchayat is helping.
So,
We are helping
listen,
that.
Helping?
you all-
Not helping.
Listen,
Both
one thing.
sides.
You all produce the papers which prove that this property belongs to you all. No, give it to the Panchayat. Where you all are having the papers?
We have produced, na ma'am.
What?
village
What you
map,
have produced?
village map.
What?
Village map is
Village
not a
map is
document.
not, it's not a document. It's not a document. You all produce the documents which are relevant, saying that this property belongs to you all. Finish. People also will be okay with it, and the Panchayat will tell, maybe convince the people.
Oh,
You all
people-
don't have anything. You all come and do the work. This is not the right way.
People can also submit their documents then.
We have submitted.
Already submitted. Already submitted.
Why we should
You are-
we have submitted to the court. We are no one to ask.
Then you are also no one to ask me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then you
Why
are- you are-
came to the Panchayat. You tell me why you came to the Panchayat.
Exactly.
If I am no one,
Exactly.
Get lost.
Get lost. Get lost from here.
If I am no one, don't come to the Panchayat. Learn to talk first.
You told me that you are no one. So I also
Yeah,
told.
who are you?
Who are you? Then that is what I am.
I'm the head of the village. Who are you?
I am the deputy manager of this project.
Deputy manager of the
तो तक तो यहाँ हम तो हम बड़े
You should understand what people are
पकड़ना इंगा
suffering.
तो कोणा को लेता इंगा हाँ कोणा को लेता शी स्पीकिंग द हेड ऑफ द विलेज हाँ
He didn't have